it. My babysitting shift is over. I've lost my date, my car, and nearly my life. There's...
Don't do anything you wouldn't do.
Yes, or anything you would do.